I lost $88,000 between 2021 and 2023 trying to figure this whole trading thing out. And yes, I am super ashamed and feel guilty. I have children, I'm married, etc., etc. But really, that $88,000 loss led me to where I'm at right now, and I wouldn't change anything. But right now, if nobody else is telling you, is the time where you need to figure this trading thing out, and you don't need to lose $88,000 to do it. Trading is something that cannot be taken from you, and it's something that you need to figure out sooner rather than later. I'm even teaching my 8-year-old and my 11-year-old to do it because I'm worried about what type of job opportunities that they're going to have and what type of world that they're actually going to come up in. Get this, I'm even teaching my kids how to trade because I'm worried about the type of job opportunities that they're going to have. You and I are seeing the same exact thing happening right now, and it's scary. It is freaking scary. I'm going to level with you. I'm scared right now. So if there was anything that I can impart on you right now, it would be to go out and learn the full A through Z of trading, because it's the one thing that leads to freedom, okay? What you're looking for is freedom. It's not more money, it's not more time, it's not more anything. It's freedom. Freedom from a job, freedom from all these different things, okay? I don't have to tell you what you already know. Trading gives you that, but it's not going to give you anything, and it's going to take from you if you don't know how to do it, okay? So go out and find an A through Z, just like I did in March of 2023, and I promise you it's going to change everything for you, even if it's not mine. I'm not trying to sell you anything because mine's not even free, okay? It's the full A through Z. Why would it be free? But I can start you in a place that is free, and that's my free trading community. The link is in my bio. All you got to do is go there and you will find the free and the paid options. I promise you that it's going to start you in the right direction, and that is what you need right now. I cannot tell you how adamant I am about this. Learn how to trade. If there was anything that you can learn right now, it would be to learn how to trade, okay? Learn how to trade. Get rid of your job, get rid of these ties to depending on somebody else, and just depend on yourself to put food on the table and a roof over your head or over your kid's head, or your kids in a better neighborhood, all those kind of things. Again, I'm not trying to sell you anything, so I'm not going to paint a picture here, okay? Use common sense. Go out and learn how to trade. First step is my free community, okay? Also, I would recommend going and checking out Trade Like Dre, D-R-E, Delta Romeo Echo, right here on TikTok. I'm gonna try to mention him or whatever, and I would go to YouTube and I would go check out the Trading Lab, L-A-B, okay? Learn support and resistance, supply and demand, as well as, you know, what liquidity is, and FVG. That's a great place to start. I could give you a ton of other, you know, I'll make another video about the other places that you can learn like legit concepts, okay? But just right now, the topic of this video is to go out and learn how to trade. It's the one thing that they just can't take from you.